Welcome back. Continuing the news. A 31-year-old woman from Manchester is making a desperate plea for help this evening after battling multiple illnesses for more than half of her life. We have the details from Unique Williams.
For most people, teenage years are a time of growth and discovery. But for Alicia Bramwell, it marked the beginning of a long and painful journey. The 31-year-old has been battling illnesses since her teenage years when she was diagnosed with stage 1 diabetes. Right after leaving high school, things took a turn for the worst when she developed health conditions that have significantly impacted her daily life.
For being sick is losing my independence. Like I have to have somebody to be my hands and foot. Yeah, to help me around, move around and something. Even walking now, shortness of breath is really doing me real bad from the other day. Right?
Bramwell suffers from multiple health conditions. These include ovarian cysts, peripheral neuropathy, hypertension, an enlarged kidney, and chronic circulation issues. She had to give up her dreams of becoming a nurse due to her illnesses and the loss of her partner who supported her financially. Since then, she has struggled to maintain employment as frequent hospital visits have caused her to lose every job she got.
Try to work to see if I could make ends meet to help my brother and my mommy, but it wasn't really working out because eventually the employers found out I was ill and nobody sickly to be at their job.
She says the constant pain, hospital visits, and the medication have taken a toll not only on her body, but also on her finances, and the medical bills are piling up. But when she thought things could not have gotten any worse, she is now on the verge of losing her eyesight to retinal detachment in the right eye.
3 days now after I was in Percy Junior Hospital the last time, I realized a hairy shadow in my sight. Like when I have hair and it have black in your sight, like cobweb. So I got up same time out of my bed and go on my dresser for my test glasses and put it on, and I was still seeing the cobweb, the hairy shadow. And I'm saying, no man, this is not right.
Alicia Bramwell recently learned that her condition has worsened as her left eye now has a macular hole in addition to a retinal detachment, requiring urgent vitrectomy surgery to save her sight. With specialized laser treatment costing over $261,000 per session. Amid these challenges, Alicia is appealing for help to restore her vision, undergo a kidney transplant, and heal her feet. Persons wishing to assist can contact her at 876-212-8760, or you can contribute to her GoFundMe account or make bank transfers to her account. Unique Williams, TVJ News.